I just had somebody write me on one of my videos, how do I sign up? And, basically, why should I sign up underneath you? And I'm like, well, give me about 4 or 5 hours and I'll tell you. But I can do it in just a couple minutes or maybe 5 to 10. It's up to you folks how long you'd like to watch this video, but I'm not going to make it too long. But first, I'm going to say cheers because we finally made it to, let's see, December 16th, okay, of 2024, halfway through December, a couple weeks away from Happy New Year, okay. Live Good turned 2 years old just a couple days ago on December 13th, okay. Exciting, okay, a lot of things happening. And boy, I'm just signing people up left and right. I'm going to have 12 signups in a couple weeks here pretty soon. This afternoon, I got someone else coming aboard. But to answer people's questions, let's just do a handful of answers. Okay, I'll go right across the board in haul-ass mode. Why are people signing up, not only in my group, but why are they signing up in Live Good? The reason why, number one, is most people that type in, what is a good home-based business? What's the number one affiliate, network, MLM type structured business that I can do at home in my PJs? Okay. Live Good not only popped up top 3 in 2023, 2024, we have just a little bit of weeks left, but we're easily number 1 in 2024. And I have no doubt no one is going to take over the top status of Live Good in 2025. Okay. When you sign up 2,500 people a day, and that's worldwide, folks, I'll tell you what, it dominates Google. Okay. You can't buy the success we have. You can't buy the free advertising we get. Buy Google search and pop up Live Good. Okay. I'm very happy with YouTube. I love doing video. If you type in Live Good, I'm going to pop up. Okay. I should be number 1, 2, and that's it. Number 3, no. I'm always going to be number 1 or 2. Number 3 so far down I can't even count when it comes down to searching and who's going to be here for you in Live Good. Okay. I know a lot of people in Live Good. I help a lot of people that they're not even signed up in my group. Okay. They first signed up a couple years ago, and I'm not going to say they're leaders. A leader does a lot of video. A leader has emails and maybe a system or technique or some good old fashioned advice on how you can kick ass and live good. That's where I come in. Okay. I'm right at the top, guys. Okay. I'm very proud of the success I'm having with signups and with the searchability of Live Good where I'm popping up. And it's my duty. Okay. I love it, man. I got my right hand up saying I'll do everything I can to help you. All right. It makes me feel good. Number 1. Number 2, if you make money, I make money. Number 3, it's just the right thing to do. If you sign up and Live Good and you're shy, don't worry about it. I'll help you get signups. Okay. Thus, if you make money, I make a little money. Okay. I want you to have the same mentality. I want you to copy what I do. Okay, I didn't get to number 27 out of 1.7 million people by accident. Give me a year and I'm going to be top 10 in the company. No doubt about it. I know I can do 500 to 1,000 direct signups. I'm just a few shy away from 400 people that have trusted me and have signed up with me the last year or so. Okay, if I average it out, it's one a day. That's awesome, guys. Okay, and thank you. If you're signed up in my group or thinking about it, I appreciate it, because today I had someone ask me, how do you sign up? Do I have to search for like livegood.com, or can I search underneath your name or, and I'm like, oh guys, come on. Everything I do says joincory.com. The reason why I have the word join in it is because there's no doubt about it. I want you to join me. You're going to click joinme.com. You're going to go to a capture page. I tell people, put your name and email address in, click the button below it, go to your email, open it up and sign away. Okay. We have Visa, MasterCard, even cryptocurrency. You guys work it out. Okay. You can always go to support@livegood.com, which I always tell people, get a hold of our customer support. If you live in the middle of nowhere and you don't have any bank around like I do, I have a bank on every corner here. Utah is a real successful city where I live in. And everyone knows, by gosh, there's a credit union, a bank, or a Mormon church on every corner. Okay. So when you live in America, most people use like a Visa card or a debit card. Discover card. You guys get the gist, okay? But you guys work it out, okay? Wherever you live. And right now I'm specializing in a lot of areas that are outside of America, okay? So if you have questions, you can always get a hold of me at Cory at CoryDraper.com. But anything with credit card, financing, returns, shipments, tracking, go to support at LiveGood.com, okay? Why should you sign up underneath me? Because I've made almost 4,000 videos just regarding LiveGood. I have systems, software, and techniques that seem to work. They just do. Proof is on my leaderboard. All right, I can still get anywhere from 10 to 15 signups per month right now. And it's because I make things simple, make things kind of fun, and I'm helping you duplicate. Because if you don't duplicate, you're going to be bummed out. Sure, you'll still buy products, but guess what? With LiveGood, we don't profit, as affiliate speaking, on the product side. That's why people love this company. All right, you don't have to buy $500 of products in order to get a $500 bonus. I'm not kidding you. Some people have to spend hundreds, if not thousands a month, just so they can make that commission, which means they just spent $1 to make $1. Yeah, that's a little boring. I'll just go to sleep. I'm not getting up out of bed and putting my cute little slippers on and taking a pee if I ain't going to make some bucks, okay? I'm here to make some moolah, and I want you to make moolah too, okay? How much? I don't know. I always have to do a disclaimer in my videos. You guys make it fun. Post every day. Email. Get a hold of me on email. And I'm going to show you my CoryDraper.com. Okay, I've perfected the simplicity of my approach in my recruiting or my ways, or take my arm, take my hand. I mean, come aboard. All right, why join me? Because I make things simple and it works. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to change it until it does work. Okay, I got enough in pios and vinegar and my ego. I'm not going to do stuff that's not going to work. It's just not going to happen. And if something fades away and we need to, I don't know, put some spit and sass and kick a little butt, you know, a little booty butt, ooh, you know, to make something work, we'll do that, okay? And if you have some good techniques or tips, let me know. I'll make a video about it if you don't want to. All right, I can make a video in 5 to 10 minutes. I got this video thing down to a science, guys. I do have an advantage because I've been in radio and broadcasting and media, and I've owned a bunch of nightclubs for 35 years. So when it comes to advertising and making video fast, okay, and spreading the word about whatever we need to, especially if you're in my group or maybe you're in someone else's group and you need some help, that's okay, guys. You don't need to be in my group. I don't need to profit off you to help you, okay? It makes me feel good if I do. And you know what? Karma, who knows? Maybe there is karma out there. I don't know. If there's a pretty girl named Karma and she's single, call me. But, you know, well, yeah, call me. All right, guys. Let me just show you a couple things. I always like my videos to be about 10 minutes or so. I got a couple minutes I can chat. Okay, there it is. Go to CoryDraper.com. Okay, and this is what it looks like. If you don't mind, I'll just show you. Okay, and if you want to look at the Live Good capture page that you get if you sign up, it's only $49.95. $40 goes towards your one-time fee, and the $9.99 you got to be a member each month. Okay, that's it. All right, so let's just click the little link and check it out. You have the same capture page. It's just at the very top. See where it says Cory Draper right there? You can put whatever name. I just put my name because I like to brand myself. Go to CoryDraper.com. Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. Go to Cory Draper, Live Good. Okay, now you're going to see 1,000 videos where I'm going to say this, and I mean it, because I get this question there every single day. Why are people signing up after I email them, or maybe I YouTube? Maybe they see a post on Facebook. Guys, people join people. Everybody's going to know about Live Good, but just like a person asked me 10 minutes ago, do I sign up underneath you, or because I want to sign up underneath you, how do I do it? Okay, people are signing up, I think, underneath me because you might feel that you know me because of these videos. And you know what? If you met me in person or gave me a call on the phone, guys, I'm no different. I'm not busy. I'm not a guy that's going to say, oh, how dare you call me because I'm busy sitting on my fat ass. Okay? I am busy, and I love it. I don't care if I win Powerball tomorrow. I have to do stuff. Okay. I've had a very nice working relationship with myself since I was 15. Now I'm a hell of a lot older than that, guys. Okay. At about a 10, 20, 30, 40, damn near 50 years. Okay. I've been in the work environment and I like it. Okay. I need to work. I like to work in areas that I enjoy, or it's a challenge, or I'm entertained by. And boy, for some reason, I think this online thing is entertaining. Okay. And I hope you find it that way too. And if not, no big deal. Maybe you just want to make some money. Okay. You know how to email good. I'll show you how to kick ass. All right. You want to join Live Good? I hope so. It's one thing that I really want you to do because it's the hub of multiple streams of income. Okay. You'll make a couple bucks, in my opinion, and Live Good, but I want a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100x that. Okay. $25 sign up bonus. Awesome. I get that if you sign up right now. It's like buying me lunch or dinner or breakfast. But I'm going to sit down and go, look, I want you to make a hell of a lot more than that. Okay. Because I know you can. And it's the same effort as making $9 as $90 or 900 guys a day. Okay. Don't think you have to put all these hours in. Oh, I got to work 10, 20, 50 hours. I got to go months and months of watching setup and training videos. And then maybe I can make my first $20. It ain't going to work that way with me. You just don't. I've got hundreds and hundreds of people that have gotten a hold of me saying, you know what? I just follow your simple advice. And for some reason, a couple people just signed up. Okay. You got to ask, guys, I want you to join me. Okay. CoryDraper.com. Go to joincory.com. Click the link. All right. And I'll end the video like this. You're going to go to this page. I want you to put your name and email address in. Click that little red, well, I guess it's orange. Click that orange little button. And guess what? You're going to get a Live Good video, email, and open that email and just follow where it says join. Okay. Visa, MasterCard, crypto, you guys figure it out. And then once I see that you've joined, I'm going to give you a nice email that says, look, I want you to do this. I want you to get a business card. I want you to get a domain name. I want you to set up your back office by going to My Earnings and select payment. And okay, I got a whole little system in place. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Chop, chop, chop. I want you to haul some butt because once you're done setting up, you're going to get good at just inviting people like I do. Guys, go to CoryDraper.com. Done. Video does everything else. Guys, go to joincory.com. Guess what? Everything's done. Okay. We do things simple. We get domain names. We forward them to videos already made that do all the training and all the setup and talks about all the pay plan or maybe the product or the service. Okay. It works. Trust me. Okay. All right. Thank you for your time. Looks like I went 2 or 3 minutes over as usual. So my YouTube channel, subscribe to it. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go ahead and email me. And that's it, guys. Okay. Thank you. Peace and love. And I should have some videos popping up by my head if you're on my YouTube channel. And it is Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm serious. Get a hold of me if I can do something for you. Thanks, guys. See you soon.